Everyone loves to enjoy their free time. Whether it's relaxing, playing, or exploring new hobbies, how we spend our free time can be fun and rewarding. On day 6, we'll discover a variety of exciting activities you can do when you're not busy with work or school. Let's explore some awesome ways to make the most of your free moments and turn them into memorable experiences. Now, let's move on to some common questions you can ask or answer when talking about your free time activities. These questions will help you share what you enjoy doing and learn about others' free time activities. For example, you might ask, what do you like to do in your free time? How often do you do your favorite activity? Why do you enjoy that activity? What activities do you do with friends or family? Is there a new activity you'd like to try? By practicing these questions and answers, you'll be able to talk more confidently about your free time activities and understand others better. Before we look at some specific vocabulary related to free time activities, make sure you're comfortable with these questions. Let's get started. Free time activities. Go to the movies. Watch TV. Work out at a gym. Surf the internet. Take photos. Play cards. Go dancing. Go to the beach. Go shopping. Listen to music. Eat out. Play in a band. Play on a team, like football or basketball. Do arts and crafts. Go camping. Collect things like stamps or coins. Go rock climbing. Ride a bike. Play video games. Read a book. Go for a walk. Visit friends. Go fishing. Play board games. Go snowboarding or skiing, if it's winter. Do puzzles or crosswords. Paint.
What do you do in your free time?
I take photos.
What do you do in your free time?
I surf the internet.
What do you do in your free time?
We go dancing.
What do you do in your free time?
I play on a team.
What do you do in your free time?
We eat out.
What do you do in your free time?
I paint.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
My favorite free time activities. I like to read a book. I like to play video games. I like to ride a bike. He likes to read. They like to eat out. They like to play board games. Activities I don't like. I don't like to play on a team. I don't like to go dancing. I don't like to go fishing. He doesn't like to go for a walk. She doesn't like to go shopping. He doesn't like to surf the internet. Vocabulary for free time activities. Reading. Reading books. Reading magazines. Reading comics. Reading novels. Reading newspapers. Watching. Watching movies. Watching TV shows. Watching YouTube videos. Watching documentaries. Playing sports. Playing soccer. Playing basketball. Playing tennis. Playing volleyball. Playing baseball. Listening. Listening to music. Listening to podcasts. Listening to audiobooks. Creative activities. Drawing. Painting. Crafting. Writing. Cooking. Baking. Trying new recipes. Experimenting in the kitchen. Gaming. Playing video games. Playing board games. Playing card games. Outdoor activities. Go walking. Go hiking. Go cycling. Go jogging. Camping. Other hobbies. Gardening. Dancing. Yoga. Meditation. Photography. Fun questions and sentences. Do you like going to the movies? I watch TV every evening. We work out at the gym on Saturdays. She surfs the internet in her free time. Can you take photos at the park? They play cards after school. Do you go dancing on weekends? We go to the beach in summer. I love to go shopping with my friends. He listens to music when he studies. We eat out at a nice restaurant. My brother plays in a band. They play on a soccer team. I do arts and crafts at home. We go camping in the mountains. She collects stamps and coins. Do you like to go rock climbing? I ride my bike every day. We play video games on the weekend. I read a book before bed. Let's go for a walk in the park. We visit our friends on Sundays. He goes fishing with his dad. They play board games on rainy days. Do you like snowboarding? We do puzzles together.